So first off, who can actually benefit from this course? Just make sure you're on this list before you go further. So basically, writers, filmmakers, actors, presenters, creatives, thinkers, communicators, and anyone. Because the thing is that story and storytelling and good storytelling feeds itself into so many disciplines and genres and crafts and forms. And the chances are these days that you may be, for example, principally a writer, or you might be a filmmaker like me, but you will have different ways in which your storytelling art and craft will express itself in other things that you are doing, whether it's the public relations side, whether it's communications, whether it's some kind of marketing, whether it's actually writing a script, as I do for a film, whether it's as a writer, you might be looking out for visual inspiration and thinking about the storytelling intent behind images as a way to inspire and prompt your writing. So basically, story and good storytelling, this is about being alive to the craft. It's about being alive to something that there's a beautiful kernel inside so many arts, crafts and professions when it comes to story that is ever present and on which you can constantly work. You can constantly improve it. It's something you can constantly master. And so basically that's why I say that this course actually quite literally is for anyone, because I happen to believe that story and good storytelling can be used in every profession, in every area of activity. Clearly, if you're coming in as a writer, someone who's already very, very interested in writing, someone who's very interested in filmmaking or video making, someone who's constructing stories visually, or indeed someone who's constructing oral stories, and I'll say a bit more about that in a minute, then this course is going to be super useful to you because you will be able to apply some of the stuff here directly in what you are already doing. But the chances are, even if you're not a writer or a filmmaker, or if you like a professional storyteller, you're still going to find a way to use the stuff inside this course to leverage it into whatever activity or activities you're actually doing. So that was just a word about who can benefit from the course. Keep that in mind as you go through the course.